OP Financial Group's business performance has been strong during the first 3 quarters of this year. Our operating profit totaled at 1,948 million euros, representing a 24% increase compared to the same period last year. All our 3 business segments performed well and contributed to the increase in earnings. Let's look at our P&L items and the year-on-year change. OP Financial Group's total income grew by 10%, driven especially by the strong increase in net interest income and investment income. However, with the declining interest rates, the growth rate of NII has slowed down. We have provided a benefit of 0 monthly charges for daily banking services for our own customers, and as a result, net commissions and fees have decreased. The insurance service result improved, rising to 95 million euros. The increase was supported especially by the life insurance business. In non-life insurance, the claims trend clearly leveled off in the second and third quarter. The rise in the value of equity and fixed income investments contributed to the growth in investment income. Our total expenses increased by 4%, mostly due to the increases in personnel and ICT costs. When combined this with the 10% growth in total income, our cost-income ratio improved to the 45%. The loan portfolio contracted by 1% from a year ago. Despite the demand for new loans continued to be fairly low, OP Financial Group further strengthened its position as a provider of home loans in Finland. We are the clear market leader with the market share of 39%. Impairment loss on receivables has decreased by 57% year-on-year and was 72 million euros by the end of September. The ratio of impairment loss to the loan and guarantee portfolio stood at 10 basis points, reflecting the overall stability of our customer base. CET1 ratio continued to improve to 21.4%, which exceeds the regulatory minimum requirement by 7.9 percentage points. The increase in CET1 ratio was primarily driven by strong earnings performance during the reporting period. Our strong capital position makes us one of the most financially solid large banks in Europe. Our funding position is supported by a stable deposit base, and deposits increased by 5% from a year ago. OP Financial Group strengthened its position as Finland's leading deposit bank in the first half of the year, and OP's market share is nearly 40%. At the end of September, our liquidity coverage ratio stood at 240%, and our net stable funding ratio was 130%. These ratios exceed clearly regulatory requirements and reflect our well-balanced liquidity and funding position. OP Financial Group is in a great shape, and we are here for our customers through different economic cycles.